Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Kira and I'm a speech and language therapist working in the SLT Ealing team. Today's video will be about how to use a communication board during story time. Communication boards are a type of augmentative alternative communication, or AAC. AAC can come in many different forms, like signing, like Makaton, paper-based, like communication boards, or digital, like an iPad or a tablet. They can help children to express their thoughts, feelings, and ideas if they find speaking out loud too tricky. Our first tip today is to follow your child's lead. Think about if there's a story or a book that you know your child enjoys and use that. For example, if they love Peppa Pig, you could look at a Peppa Pig book together. Notice what your child is interested in and think about what they're looking at, pointing to, or touching, and describe that. Our second tip is don't worry too much about following the story. The aim is to create opportunities for your child to communicate and hear some new words or phrases. Instead, look at the book by looking at the pictures together. Don't worry about sticking to the text.
Look, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly is flying.
Our final tip is model using the communication board to your child. Use the communication board to make comments about what your child can see and what's happening in the story. Talk about the story with your child using the language you are most confident speaking in. Speak to your speech and language therapist for support to make a communication board in your home language. Today we will show you how to do this by exploring the Very Hungry Caterpillar.
He ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. What did the caterpillar eat? The caterpillar ate strawberries.
And that's all for today. Today we talked about how you can use communication boards to support your child's language during story time. If you have any questions you live or work in Ealing, you can contact us via our advice line. Scroll down and you'll find our contact details underneath this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips useful and good luck implementing them at home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Thank you. Bye-bye.